Linda's making the most of the dog that's already down.
Oh, the pug is in there. That's a little kid. Making a mess though.
Hey! Enough!
Hey there, Lear. Lear likes the ball. Oh yeah.
Pretty clean chicken, but I like it.
Guys, can we just hold the pups for a sec?